Hello everybody, so here is the grow tent. This is March, and I just wanted to give you guys some update on the grow tent and how things are doing in here. As you can see, it's very nice, and all of them are doing great. The sweet bitter leaf is doing great. So what I usually do is I save them from winter, from the previous year in here in the grow tent, and then I use them for cuttings or start new cuttings or new seedlings from the stems that I have here. So but we harvest them throughout the winter. As you can see, this is the look at the batang or the sweet bitter leaf ready to be harvested. We harvested it quite a couple of times already. This also here we also have the other regular bitter leaf that's used from Dole right here, and we have Anchia right here. They're doing great. Over here we have more sweet bitter leaf, and we have our lemongrass down there. It's been covered by all of these other plants, and probably need to lift it up higher so that way it gets more of the light and will do better. But very soon, hopefully within a month or so, we should be able to move some of these plants into our greenhouse outside and start our seedlings in here, so that way we can start growing and start getting some our seedlings ready for the garden. So some of the peppers stems that I put there, since the temperature in here is not hot enough, so some of the stems that I transplanted in here are not doing really well. Next time I think I'll probably put a heat mat on the bottom of the container, because pepper are heat loving plants, so maybe that would help for the next year. But right now everything looks great. Everything is doing well. The noise you're hearing is from the heater, and the fan just came on as I opened the door of the tent. So so far everything is good. The heat, the lights. Over here you can see this is my fly trap, white flies, and so it's getting rid of a lot of them. But so far everything is good. Everything is doing well. So hopefully we're gonna start making seedlings from the stems, and also be able to start getting some good results from these plants in the beginning of the spring and in the summer. Okay, that was just a quick video for you guys. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody. Also stay tuned for a couple of videos, seed starting videos and process, and various things I'm gonna be doing for the gardening season. So like, follow, and if you have any questions, please leave your questions or comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. Thanks everybody. Peace.